going to get our RV today. We're going from Watford City, North Dakota to Monticello, Minnesota. So we're on the way and we're really excited.
From Minnesota 25 toward Monticello, Buffalo.
So this is a first look at our camper. I'm not going to open any of the doors yet because they're all locked up. We're still at the dealership. This is called the Forest River Campsite Reserve. Backup cameras installed. This is magnetic storage. Goes all the way through to the other side. This is our mini fridge, and it's called a Greystone. Alright, and then going inside, so we'll start in the kitchen. What I really like is this cabinet right here. Nice deep storage space. Sink with a nice faucet. We have a glass cleaner here. We have a really big window. I love the window. Have the gas oven or stove, sorry. And then this down here is a convection microwave that I've never used, so we're gonna have to learn how to use that. This is our furnace here. Fuse boxes. This is our freezer. Little clear tray. And then freezer down there. And then refrigerator. Oops. I think that's a nice size refrigerator. Oops. Stay. There we go. This door leads into the bathroom. So we have a nice tub, not tub, but you can wash the dog there. It has a lip on it so water doesn't splash out. And you go up to a nice skylight. And then another fan. It's a 12-inch fan, really nice. Comes with a towel rack, which I love. Basic toilet, nothing new there. And storage underneath the sink. And then we have storage back here as well. And what's nice is it has another nice storage area that goes way back here and all the way up. It's got a bar to hang clothes. Okay. Alright, then this is our table. The table legs come off down here. The table goes down and attaches right here. And it has a bed. These just slide out. Nice big storage area down here. There we go. And another one over here. And then we have this bed or sofa that converts into a bed. These come off on each side. I'm not going to do it because I have one hand. And then you pull out the bottom and it converts into a bed. Fireplace, TV, and then this is really nice up here. Lots of storage. Close it, lock it, and then this is a door that's behind, well, not behind, but when you walk in, there's the door right here. More storage space. And then coming into the bedroom, have a light. This is a camper king size bed. We have storage over here. There is an inverter right over here with solar, so if anyone has a CPAP or needs some sort of electrical and there's no electric for some reason, that will always work. We have the lights that are blue or white. Storage above the bed. 3 of these. This one, another nice storage area. One below. And then I'm going to climb back here. And there's storage and some chargers back there for phones. And then that's the door that closes. And that's it. Oh, and I forgot, this is a little shoe hideaway. Fire extinguisher, and then we also have a little trash area that comes with a trash can. So I love it. Very cute. Not too big, not too small, just perfect for Michael and I. Stay tuned to show you the next video.